Bible characteristics in the Bible. So we have our first Bible character is Moses. God uses Moses by being priestess Cassandra. She is the daughter of Israel, son of Israel Cassandra, born on December 31, 2019.
Exodus chapter 3 to 4. God chose Moses to help save his people. God wanted Moses to speak to Pharaoh and tell him to let the Israelites go free. But Moses did not feel ready. He told God that he was not good at speaking and that he often struggled with his words. Moses felt weak and thought he was the wrong person for the job. God gently reminded Moses that he is the one who gives people their ability. God promised to be with Moses and help him speak. God even sent Moses' brother Aaron to help him. Moses learned that God can use anyone, even someone who feels afraid or weak. With God's help, Moses obeyed and God did amazing things through him.
Continue the story of Moses when they crossed the Red Sea. So we have Crossing the Red Sea by Gian Rossi Esmeralda, son of Mr. Gabriel and Vivian Esmeralda, born on September 23, 2020.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Faster. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lala. Happy birthday, Lala. Okay.
Si Lala na.
Okay.